What's up, boys and girls? Chris Nelson here, bringing you another Just the Tip Tuesday. Before we get started, special shout out to my friend and one of my favorite loan officers in the business, Mr. JP Hussey with the Hussey Home Team, for hooking his boy up with this amazing snapback. With that said, so this week I want to talk a little bit about one of my favorite things, technology. But not just technology in general. I want to talk a little bit about 360-degree home tours. A lot of people don't even know what they are. They don't even know they exist. Do you know what they are? You know when So you know when you hop on those social sites and they tell you to take your cell phone and do one of these? Well, it's not that. As a matter of fact, no, that's not it at all. This is a 360-degree tour. Now, this is a property that was once one of my listings, but I successfully sold it. Come on now. There are a few companies out there who will actually do what is referred to as a 360-degree virtual tour. And what you get is the ability to search from your desktop or from your laptop or your tablet, whatever device it is you're using, and you can actually look 360 degrees around the entire house. Now the cool thing is all of these little rings that you see throughout the house, these are areas that you can navigate to. So for example, let's navigate on into the living room. Let's see what it has to offer. All right. You literally can navigate through the entire home, and you can also go right from, if I remember how to do this correctly, go right from the inside to a floor plan, also known as a dollhouse, where you can, right now we're in this room, we can just skip right over to, let's skip over to the office. And skip right on into the office and then navigate again from there. Some of the other tools are you can go right from the second floor down to the basement with ease. Okay, so now that you know what a 360-degree tour is, let's talk about the value and why you would want to have one of these. Well, when it comes to selling your home, we all know that buyers nowadays are finding their homes online. One of the #1 goals as a seller or as a realtor is to make sure that the marketing is enticing and has buyers engaging with your listing more than any other. The more bells and whistles you have, the more odds you have of having buyers spend more time with your property. This is something that should be included in your marketing all the time. So when you are interviewing realtors and you're asking them about some of the things that they offer in their marketing, ask whether or not they offer a 360-degree tour. It's also to my understanding that certain websites, some of the biggest websites out there, look for things like this to be included in your marketing, which helps them get your property to the top of the search rankings. So there you have it, 360-degree tours. I include them in my listings. That's just me though. Again, make sure you're asking whether or not this is something that you would get when you go to market your home. So there you have it. If this video has been of any value to you, do me a favor, please like, comment, and/or share, because if I can get this content in front of people who find value to it, well, then my job is done. With all that being said, tune in next week for the very next Just the Tip Tuesday with Chris. Until then, take care.